External character of pigeon Columba livia. Next, the Columba livia is the scientific name of common pigeon. It belongs to the class Aves, which include all the birds of the world. Most birds can fly in air. The peculiar habit has rendered certain changes in them, which are regarded as their characteristics. So, what are their characteristics? Now we will see. Body streamline, then forelimbs are modified as wings which help in flying. Heavier part of body are centrally placed. The body covered by feathers which help in buoyancy of the birds. Bones are hollow and fill up with air. Well developed air sacs are associated with the respiratory organs. Tail is short and work both as rudder and balancer. Homeothermal or the warm blooded. So this is the picture of the pigeon, common pigeon. They have the following part: head, eye, beak, neck, abdomen. You can see, okay. Columbia livia. Next, there are innumerable varieties of domesticated pigeons. In all of them, the body is divisible into three parts, as I told you: head, neck, and trunk. The head is small and movable due to the necks. Then mouth is placed at the anterior most end and it's provided with the two beaks. Here you can see provided with the two beaks. Okay. Then the beaks are used for the picking food and also for defenses. Slightly above the mouth there is a pair of nasal opening, and one each side of the head lies is large prominent eye. Each eye is provided with the three movable eyelids: upper, lower, and nictitating membrane. The auditory opening are present posterior to the eye. The forelimb containing three digits is modified into wing. Each wing is provided with 23 long feathers called remids. The hind limbs are capable of supporting the entire weight of the body and are used during the perching and sitting. The digits of the hind limbs are provided with sharp claws which are used for the defense. The number of scales is present on the hind limb. Tail is short and provided with tail long feathery called rectrices, and near the base of the tail lies an oil producing gland called as the prin gland, the secretion of which keep the feather clean and prevent from becoming a weight. On the ventral side of the caudal region lies the anal aperture. So this is all the external characters of the pigeons.